Welcome. If you're looking to remove someone's access from your Facebook page using your PC, especially after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through each step so you can manage your page's security and privacy with confidence. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to Facebook by typing facebook.com in the address bar. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a menu with all the pages you manage. Next, select the page you want to edit. Click directly on the page's profile photo to enter the page's dashboard. Once you're inside, look for the menu on the left side. Scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy, and then select Settings from the drop-down options. Now you'll see a list of settings categories. Find and click on Page Setup. Under this section, you'll see Page Access. This is where you can manage who has access to your page. In the Page Access section, you'll see a list of people who currently have access to your page. Look for the person you want to remove. Next to their name, you'll see 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots to open a small menu and then choose Remove Access. A confirmation window will pop up asking you to enter your Facebook password. This step is important for security reasons, so type in your password and confirm the removal. And that's it. You've successfully removed someone's access from your Facebook page. Keeping your page secure is essential, and with these simple steps, you can easily control who manages your content. If you found this walkthrough helpful, consider subscribing for more easy-to-follow guides on managing your social media. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.